Having suicidal thoughts after a breakup is completely normal. I don't want you to think that you're going crazy or this is it for you. This is actually just the beginning. Now, when you're going through a breakup, nothing really prepares you for the emotional impact. So you don't know how to process your emotions, meaning you are hitting a level, a point where you can't take this anymore. You're a zombie, you're walking dead, and you say to yourself, I wish I was dead because then I wouldn't need to experience all this pain. And if I'm not here in my physical body, this pain will go away. But my friend, stick around in this video and just stay here. Leave. Because this is, like I said, it's only the beginning. All of the emotions that you're currently feeling and the even the thought of just taking your own life, it might make sense to you right now, but I want you to know that you will get through it. I've been there myself and I coach many people and I know what it feels like. It's you feel like it will be you will be better off not being here. But let me just reassure you that this will pass. These too shall pass. You just need just push a little bit more. The sky will turn blue again. Your life will be good again. The pain that you're currently feeling, that you feel like you cannot take this anymore, you can. You can. You probably been betrayed because this is what my channel is talking mostly about betrayals. And when you've been betrayed, you think that you're no good. You think that your life is you're like the scum of the earth and you have no reason being here. This is not the truth. Your mind plays tricks on you. Your pain is dictating your actions right now. Maybe you're taking pills or drugs or drinking. You need to stop those things. These things causes you to believe that you don't have any other way out, but you do have another way out. And the way out is through working on yourself. Now, I just need to tell you this right here, right now. I'm not a therapist or anything like that. I'm a coach. I have a lot of experience of working with people. But if your case is severe and if you're taking antidepressants and you feel like, and it's really urgent, seek professional help. Call 911. Do something that truly will, if you feel like you're on the edge, I want you to get professional help. I'm here just to shift your mindset and make you understand that life is worth living. And it's normal to feel and to think like, maybe it's better if I'm not here. It's just normal. Actually a part of your healing journey. I had it few times when I was going through, actually, almost every breakup I had, I felt like, okay, that's it. I can't take this anymore. I better off not be here. And it passed. It passed. It just give it more time. Give it more time, but don't just give it time. Also get help. If you see that this feeling and this desire is not going away, it's time to seek professional help. Don't take this lightly, but I don't want you also to take it too heavy. I want you to understand that this is a part of life. It's a part of life, and we hit points in life that sometimes we say to ourselves, I can't take this anymore. But you know what? If you are patient and if you do the work on yourself, you will see it through. You will see it through. And the sky will, the sun will come up again. Life will be good again. Right now, because you're in the emotional residue of the breakup, it doesn't seem like it. You think that it's doesn't make sense, but it will. This video is for you, my friend, to stay. It's for you to understand that life is worth living. You gain a lot of wisdom through this breakup. I know that it's hard, and you say to yourself, oh my God, it's so much. It's so heavy. And watch my documentary. I documented my journey, my healing journey after my ex just cheated on me, monkey branched on me. And the link in the description below to see. I actually said, and I said it in my documentary, that I wanted to take my own life. It was just too much. It was too heavy, but I stayed. And one more day, just one more day, just one more day. And all of a sudden, it's like, oh, okay, okay, I got this. At the beginning, I said, I think I got this. And then maybe I got this. Then I got this. And you heal and you grow and you evolve. And once you do, you realize why it all had to happen. And you actually will give gratitude to your ex, and you'll give gratitude to God that led you and put you in this position to be stronger, to be better. So if you're dealing with this, my friend, if this video just help you to say, you know what, one more day, and say one more day every day until you get better. And you will get better. Give yourself grace, give yourself time, find the Lord. Find the Lord. Pray. Just pray. Pray for God to guide you. Trust me, He will not forsake you. He will be there for you. He will guide you to the right path. And the right path is living. It's living. I feel you, my friend. And I know that it can be very challenging what you're going through right now. If you need to talk to me, feel free. The link in the description below. You can email me. You can place a comment in this video. If you have specific question, if you're dealing with something and you need help, you can join our online healing community for free. We're here for you. We're here for you. Stay with us. Stay with us. Life will be good again. I know that now it seems dark, but life is worth living, my friend. I love you so much. And let me know if you need anything. I'm here for you. God bless you on your journey, and I'll see you again in the next video.